Hey there folks, Peter here with BlackRock Business, and today in the world of QuickBooks Point of Sale, we are going to talk about how you can edit a vendor, because many times when somebody's creating a PO or a receiving voucher, they just want to quickly get that vendor name into the box so that they can either order or receive all of their merchandise, and so they don't think about it that day. But later on, it may behoove you to add more information to your vendor, because it can be very useful as far as communicating with them or setting up the correct payment terms. So in QuickBooks Point of Sale, we're going to go to the vendor list, and you're going to choose the vendor that you want to update. In this case, I'm going to update Knives Unlimited. Once I select Knives Unlimited, in the upper right hand corner here, I can hit the edit button. Of course, I look over the information for Knives Unlimited and it's fairly incomplete, and I want to add some of it. So over there at Knives Unlimited, we've been ordering product, and I'm thinking maybe I want to put the vendor code on my price tag. So I'm going to enter a vendor code, and you know, I've gained some great rapport with John Johnson over there, or as we call him, JJ. So you might want his email there so you can actually email purchase orders through your email program out of QuickBooks Point of Sale. It's the easiest way to order things from your vendors. And I keep forgetting how to get to their website. So there it is. And I can maybe fill in their street and phone number and all that kind of stuff. And then of course, it looks like I've already entered some of our payment terms with them. We get 5% off if we pay off our bill within 2 weeks. That's great for them, it's great for us. But on the purchase order, it seems that John Johnson over there at Knives Unlimited, he wants to know what our account is, our account number, so he can bring it up real quickly and process our orders. And so there you go. I have entered our account number and whatever other notes about John. He has 3 kids, you know. We like to talk about him, so there's some interesting information about John Johnson. Every time I call him up, I can refer back to that. And there you have it. We have edited the vendor record, and now we're set to go in the future. We're much better off when we do orders from Knives Unlimited. My name's Peter with BlackRock Business. Thanks for coming on this quick video journey on how to edit a vendor in QuickBooks Point of Sale. Don't forget to comment below if you want to. I'll respond back as soon as I can, and I hope you have yourself an excellent day. Bye.